Hi. So sometimes DC adapter may look like working when you measure the voltage. The voltage readings are good, but under the load, the voltage gets dropped, or protection circuit kicks in, and DC adapter turns off. So how properly test adapter with the load? Let's check voltage of the adapter. It's 19.5 and 3.33 amps. So taking the formula, dividing the voltage into 3 amps, we get 6.5 ohms. This means that if we want to give a load of 3 amps for this DC adapter, we need a dummy resistor with 6.5 ohms. Here I have 6 ohms resistor. I connect the resistor wires to the voltmeter, and I connect it with the DC adapter. We have 19.5 volts. So this means that under 3 amps load, voltage doesn't drop a lot, so looks that adapter is good. Thanks for watching.